and it's so yummy. I can't wait. This is so. So here we want to make a bread, and we need some. I just want to list out the ingredients we're using for today. This is milk. This is our sugar. This is yeast, our butter, our all-purpose flour, our condensed milk, vanilla, our salt, of course. So we need a teaspoon, tablespoon, our measuring cup, our bowl, definitely if you want, a hand mixer for the liquids. So let's get into it. So let's begin. So we add our milk, our warm milk. This is 1.5 cup of milk. We add 5 tablespoons full of. Alright, I'm just gonna blend this. Mama. 2, 3.
Mommy, can I help you?
4.
Mommy, can I help you?
Yes. 5. And small jar. Alright, and we're going with just 1 teaspoon of salt. This is salt. Our yeast, we add condensed milk. We add our condensed milk.
Yes.
We add 2. We can add like one and half. Let's say a little of the condensed milk, like 3/4 cup of condensed milk. 3/4 of condensed milk. Oh, our condensed milk is going in right here. And the next one is 1 egg. We add egg. I forgot to put it in the requirements. I'll video the egg among the requirements.
Mommy, can I lick
we
this?
have 1 egg to put.
Mommy, can I lick this up?
Yes, my dear, you can. So we crack in 1 egg. I decided to leave some egg whites so that I can use it for my finishing. It's up to you. I'll set the egg whites in a container just so it will not pour. Alright, so what do we do now? We put our vanilla flavor. I have this vanilla flavor for some time now, and it has been pouring in the cupboard. So I just add all of it. Is almost right. Now we mix everything together. Just level it out and from that. silver now. So now we have the 3.5 cup. So we pour it. I like to sieve my flour just in case of anything that I don't want that to sieve out, and that also makes the bread more fluffy. Maybe. So we sieve. So just like I always envisage, just little something. I decide to go in first with spoon because I'm going to need this with my hand. Icing out this. I'm using all my flour. I'm supposed to use my hand, but it's just that I don't like getting my hands involved a lot with this part. The next, we add our butter, like 3 tablespoonfuls of butter. Okay. And we mix it together.
Mama, we almost
So
done.
some people will be like, you need this out. This is after adding the butter, and but I want to use this bread and do an experiment. I'm not going to knead it now. I will leave it for 1 hour and come back to it and see how it's going to rise, and after that we knead. Okay. So this is 1 hour. Let's see. Wow. And it's times 2. And you can see I'm going to, this has been cleaned and I'm going to transfer